Let's check out Crypto.com in 2025, a popular platform to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies quickly and easily. Crypto.com offers a user friendly app and a website where you can buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Their interface is designed for beginners and experienced users alike, making crypto accessible for everyone. One of the highlights is their competitive fees and fast transaction times. Plus, they offer a Visa backed crypto debit card that lets you spend your crypto rewards in everyday life. Crypto.com also provides staking options and rewards, letting you earn interest on your crypto holdings. Security is a priority with strong encryption and two factor authentication to keep your account safe. Overall, Crypto.com remains a top choice in 2025 if you want a seamless way to buy Bitcoin and dive into the crypto world. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment on which crypto platform you want me to review next. If you always have any questions or doubts, drop them to us in the comments and we'll come back with a video or an answer to whatever suits best.